Okay. Can you see this? The PDF file, the question. Hello, Vivek. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is question number 3. You can see here on 1st January 2019, A sold goods to B for 5,000 plus IGST at the rate 18%. A received 900 by check from B and drew on him a bill for the balance amount payable 3 months after date. The bill was duly accepted by B. A retained the bill till due date. On due date, the bill was paid. Past journal entries in the books of A and B also show necessary accounts in the books of both the parties. So, first of all, can you tell me which case is this?
Sir, this is case one.
Case one, yes. Means bill is retained up to the due date. So, drawer is keeping the bill up to the due or maturity date. So we have to pass the journal entry. So I have to prepare the format. Actually, I'm creating a short format because not many journal entries are there.
Sir, I'll rejoin from a different device. Okay?
Okay. Hello.
Uh, yes, sir.
You joined? You didn't tell me?
Sorry, no, I was just like doing some work that I was about to do.
Okay. So this is the question, and I have created the format here. Now, first of all, on first date, on 1st January 2019, A sold goods to B for 5,000 plus IGST 18%. Okay. So on this date, we have to pass journal entry. 1st January 2019. January 1st. So A sold goods to B. B account debit to sales account and to IGST output or output IGST, because along with sales there is GST also. So sales amount is 5,000 and IGST 18%. It means it will be 900. So total 5,900 we have to receive from B. Okay. This is the first entry. After that, A received 900 by check from B and drew on a bill or drew on him a bill for the balance amount. So either you can pass the journal entry separately for check and bill, or you can write it together. So balance amount, the bill was duly accepted. Okay. So check is received. So we will write bank account debit to B account. 900, and for balance amount we drew a bill. So on the same date it will be bills receivable account debit to B account. It is 5,000. The balance amount is 5,000, so 5,000. And then bill for the balance amount payable after 3 months after date. The bill was duly accepted by B. B returned the bill till due date. On due date, the bill was paid. So, what will be the maturity date? From January 1st, you have received a bill for 3 months. So, January to Feb, March, and April. So, April 1st, and then plus 3 days. So, it will be April 4th. You have received the money. So bank or cash account debit to bills or receivable account. So it is 5,000, 5,000 being sold goods to be on credit. Then being received 900 by check from B. Being bill received from B. Or you can write being bill accepted from B, and being amount received against bill. There is no space. That's why I have said the narration. So this is the entry in the books of A. Now, what will be the journal entry in the books of B? So for 2019, April 1st, he is the purchasing, sorry, January 1, January 1st. Jan 1st is the purchaser, buyer. So purchase account debit input IGST. For B, it is input IGST. Account debit to A account. So 5,900, 5,900. Then on the same date, we have given check and bill to A. So A is the receiver, A account debit to bank account 900 and two bills receivable, bills payable for B. So bills payable account. Total amount payable was 5,900. So 900 through check and 5,000 from bill. On April 4th, the bill is duly paid. So bills payable account debit to bank. 5,000, 5,000. Now, one more thing I want to uh, tell you here, that if bill is not kept until the due date, if bill is discounted from bank, then what will be the entry? Because after this entry, when we have received the bill from B, so bills receivable account debit to B, we have passed. Now this bill will be given to the bank. So entry will be bank account debit, discount on bill account debit to bills receivable account, because bill is going to the bank and we are receiving money from the bank. So bank account debit, we are receiving money. So bank or cash, whatever. So account debit, discount on bill. So you will write the balance amount in cash or bank and discount and then the bill. Okay. So this is the journal entry. If you want to write it, please write this down.
Mm,
Take the screenshot, okay, and try to solve the question, because if you write this whole thing and then try to solve question, I know that you just do the question very slowly in class. I don't know why, but it's take time. You always leave the question uncompleted, incomplete, sorry, incomplete at the end. So take the screenshot and solve the next question.
okay. So can you scroll down? So more done. So
Okay, now the question number 4 you have to solve.
and discounting will be also. This will be case too, but like he discounted the bill with his bank for 990 on 4 Jan.
Yes.
on maturity, the bill is duly met, but the amount is 1K, right?
Yes, amount is 1000. So bank will charge some money. Yes or no?
Okay, so, but it's the only difference of 10 rupees. So, like,
So
how
this is the
much will
discount.
be the interest?
10 rupees will be the discount amount.
No, no, no. How much will be the percentage of interest deducted by bank?
You don't need to calculate that. You need money amount. Okay, if amount is already given, then why to calculate percentage?
Okay, ठीक है सर मैं कर रहा हूँ.
Okay.
So the first entry will be same, right? Like,
What is the first entry then?
no, first entry will be same in the terms like, uh, it will be for acceptance of bill of from drawer. I'm talking about.
Okay.
No, in every case, like the first entry will be of like for acceptance of bill by drawer, right?
For acceptance of
Bill from drawer.
bill. Yes, the first entry is
So
always same.
from yeah, so it will be like bills receivable account debit to drawer account, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So
So
why
for
you ask
like
these type of question?
what's that?
Why ask these type of question? You know the answer. Just write it.
नहीं, I have like confusion. I'm not
नहीं
sure.
तो
That's why I'm
अगर
asking you.
फिर वही बात आ गई कि अगर मैंने एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया अभी थोड़ी देर पहले, ठीक है, उसमें मैंने सेल परचेज का एंट्री किया और बिल जो मिल रहा है उसका भी एंट्री किया, और आप फिर से एक दूसरी क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं जिसमें आप एक एक एंट्री मेरे से कंफर्म करके अगर लिख रहे हैं तो फिर क्या ही फायदा हुआ।
तो सर बट एक चीज पूछनी थी, ये जो एंट्री मैंने अभी बोला, ये जान 1 के लिए लिखना है ना?
इतना तो डिसाइड करो खुद से। कब बिल दिया गया लिया गया है उसको देखो, कब उसका मैच्योरिटी है उसको देखो, कब सेल परचेज की एंट्री है उसको देखो और एंट्री करो इसमें। अगर हर एक, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना कि अगर हर एक एंट्री मेरे से ही पूछ के अगर कंफर्म करके कर रहे हैं तो फिर फायदा नहीं हुआ ना। तो अच्छा है कि मैं ही सॉल्व कर दूं क्वेश्चन।
नहीं, मैं क्या।
देन सॉल्व इट।
Sir, I'm doing this by like the entry by my own, but one thing I wanted to ask, like इसमें खाली दो journal entries पास होंगी ना, for like Jan 1 and this one, for Jan. No, 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 sorry. Okay, okay, okay. ठीक है, sorry, sorry. So I can write anything, right? Cash or bank?
व्हाट?
I can write like anything, right? Cash or bank. In this one, she discounted the bill with this bank. The entry will be like for discounting of bill cash account, then discounting of bill account debit like that. Right? So I can write cash or bank, right?
यस।
Okay. And sir, one thing, this the 10 rupees, like which is gone, which has been deducted by the bank, so that I should write in discounting of bill by bank, that section, right?
दैट 10 रुपीज।
Yes.
यस।
Okay.
अब इसके बाद कोई सवाल नहीं।
Okay, sir. I hope so.
मैं जवाब दे भी नहीं रहा।
तो ये तो जीतेगा।
नहीं, सवाल देने का फायदा नहीं है ना। आप सब सवाल तो मेरे से ही पूछ लेते हैं ना फिर। मैं वही तो बार बार बोलता हूँ।
Sir, will there be a entry for this on maturity? The bill is duly met in the books of Vinod. मैंने
I
दो
don't.
entry कर दी है उसमें. Like for first one, bills receivable account debit to drawee account, and then the
The
discounting of bill.
question is asking you to solve the question, pass the journal entries in the books of Binod and Darbar Singh, both.
Yes.
So you have to pass journal entry in both the books.
For
You have to pass the journal entry in both the books.
no, I'm doing it. Like I'm talking about this one on maturity. The bill is duly met. So like one more entry should I do? Like this is like how you did in the last question.
Yes, just see it. If it is required, then solve it. Then pass the journal entry.
Okay. ठीक है मैं देखता हूँ. Done.
So tell me the journal entry.
So in the journal entry in the books of Vinod, uh, Jan 1, bills receivable account debit to this one, to Joy account. Like,
To draw your account,
no, basically, like, Darbara Singh.
yes, you have to write the bar sign, not the drawing.
Yes.
So what
1000,
you have
1000.
written?
Yes, then Jan 4, bank account debit,
What you have
discounting of bill account. What's it?
what you have written in first entry, draw or Darbar Singh.
Darbar, and I said like Joy because I was like looking at the formula. Sorry, journal entry.
So you have written Roy.
नहीं नहीं मैं वो like the one which you have given in the journal entries for all the cases I was looking that so मुंह से वो निकल गया I
बट
wrote
अगर
that one.
मतलब अगर आपने लिखा है दरबार सिंह तो फिर वही जर्नल एंट्री देख के बोल रहे हैं या कहीं और कुछ देख के बोल रहे हैं फिर?
नहीं नहीं मैं अपनी वो क्या बोलते हैं नहीं sir what I'm trying to say is I wrote Darbara but before you wrote journal entry for case 1 case 2 I was looking at that just for confirmation so वही वहाँ पे draw ही लिखा हुआ है ना so that's why I was bills receivable account debit to draw like
ठीक है, वो मिस्टेक हुआ, लेकिन मेरा सवाल ये है कि जब मैं आपसे सॉल्यूशन पूछ रहा हूँ तो फिर आप वो जो पीछे थ्योरी में जर्नल एंट्री लिखा हुआ है उसे क्यों देख रहे हैं?
I was looking because कंफर्मिंग क्योंकि मुझे अभी भी डाउट है कि सही है आंसर या नहीं बट
तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना, आपने सही किया गलत मैं पूछ भी नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं बस ये आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि आपने क्या जर्नल एंट्री किया है, तो गलत सही से क्या लेना देना। आप वो एंट्री बताइए जो आपने लिखा है, आप वो मत बताइए जो थ्योरी में है या कहीं और कुछ लिखा हुआ है, आप वो बताइए बस जो जर्नल एंट्री में लिखा है आपने एग्जैक्ट।
ये सही होता है जान वन बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट डेबिट देन 1000 and Jan 4 bank account debit then discounting of bill account debit to bills receivable account this is 990 then 10 rupees and 1000
ओके,
and then April 4, I'm confused that do we have to write or not? Because as you said, look in the last question. So I did, but sir, उसमें वो last में इसलिए लिखा हुआ है because uh, the drawee pays to the drawer, not the bank, and the amount it's like because the amount is pending, but in this case the amount is already collected before itself. So that's why I didn't wrote for April 4. I wrote these two entries.
ओके, दैट्स इट, योर सॉल्यूशन इज कंप्लीट।
No, then in journal entry in the books of Darbara Singh is also left.
टेल मी।
And this is Jan 1, this one. Vinod account debit to bills payable account 1000 1000 and then April 4 bills payable account debit to cash account 1000 1000. This is for the
दैट्स इट,
receipt of money.
yes, so you don't have to ask every time you pass a journal entry, it is very simple one.
Hello,
Yes,
can you repeat sir? I couldn't hear you.
I'm saying that these questions are very simple. Only journal entries are required here. There is no confusion. There is no complicated answer. So why you need to ask every time you pass a journal entry? It is very simple one. Try to solve by yourself, because if you are not able to solve these type of question, then how you could solve the bigger portion of this chapter that will come later. So try to solve at least some of the question. You don't do homework, so at least try to solve question in classes. You never do homework. So just try. सही गलत मुझे देखना है, आपको बस ट्राई करना है। सही गलत तो ठीक है, गलत होगा तो होगा, क्या फर्क पड़ता है उससे।
तो सर दोनों में बस यही दो एंट्रीज थी।
हाँ।
और hang on.
ओके। ओके, वन मोर थिंग, what will change in the entry if Binod is giving his bill to the bank for collection purpose only, not discounting the bill. He is giving the bill to the bank for collection only. So basically it is case 4. Now, what will change here?
Yes,
What
sir.
will be the journal entry?
Sir, it will be same entry for the first one, obviously, but for like sending the bill for collection, it will be like in bill for collection account debit to bills receivable.
Amount?
1,000, 1,000.
Okay.
And then there will be, but there will be no entry in the drawee thing, like for this guy, Darbara Singh.
Okay.
And for receipt slash payment of bill amount, it will be cash account debit to bill for collection account. And for this one, the Darbara Singh, it will be Vinod account debit to cash account.
No, not correct.
What's up?
In Darbar Singh, always there is only two entries. The first one is Binod account debit to bills payable, and the second is bills payable account debit to cash. Why you are saying Binod account in second?
No, it's like for receipt slash payment of bill, it's like in the Darbar. I'm saying about Darbara Singh. It's like drawer account debit to cash account, right? So drawer is our Vinod. So
No,
that's why
no,
I said Vinod account debit to cash account.
there will be no drawer account in second entry.
No, I'm talking about the third entry. The for that's
There
what
is
I'm saying for
three entry
receipt
in the books
slash
of drawing.
what's up?
There is three entry in the books of drawing.
No, two entries.
So why you are saying the I'm saying for third entry?
I mean, like it's like that in the you know. Okay, basically second entry for receipt slash payment of bill amount, it will
Yes.
be Vinod
In
account debit to
second
cash.
entry, why Binod account is there?
Because it's like drawer, right? It's drawer account debit to cash.
I
So
have
and
written
drawer is
drawer account debit to cash.
yes, sir.
Where? Can you show me?
Uh, can you show? You know, like how do I show? Actually, I'm
Okay.
right now on
Just
tab.
right now
Yeah,
what?
see the case 4 one. I'm on tab actually. I can't actually show you.
Okay, you can see here. Tell me where is this draw books I have written
Case
draw
4.
cash.
Case 4. Yeah.
Either it is case
Can
one,
you
case
scroll
two,
down?
case 4. All cases in the books of drawing entries are same.
No, no, sir. Uh, for case 1, it's like bills payable account debit to cash. This one is okay. Case 2, yeah. See, sir, drawer account debit to cash account. I told you.
Okay. So this is a mistake.
Handy.
This is a mistake. Bills payable.
Oh,
And I have also said this that in all the cases in Roy book, in previous class
oh my
also,
god.
I have said this
केस 2 में भी
that
यही लिखा है आपने? नो 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 नो
case
नो केस 2 में नहीं 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 सही 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 सही.
तो मैंने पिछले क्लास में भी आपको ये बोला है कि ड्रॉय के बुक्स में हर केस में एंट्री सेम ही है, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है। ये बोला है ना मैंने पिछले क्लास में। हाँ या ना? What? Abdullah, am I audible? Your voice is breaking.
जी? No,
मैंने
what did
कहा
you say?
मैंने कहा कि पिछले क्लास में मैंने ये बोला था ना
Hello?
कि ड्राइंग की बुक में सारी
Yes.
एंट्री सेम होती है हर केसेस में. Your voice is not coming, Abdullah. Why are you on mute?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking something. You are on mute, Abdullah.
Sorry. Yeah, I was saying, sorry, sir, your voice wasn't audible. Can you repeat?
नहीं, मेरा वॉइस ऑडिबल नहीं. आप बार बार बोलने के बाद म्यूट पे चले जाते हैं, उसके बाद आप कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं.
हाँ, नहीं, एक्चुअली सर मैंने नेट अभी चेंज किया था मेरा, दैट्स व्हाई आई कुडंट हियर यू.
तो 3-4 बार वैसा हो चुका है ना अभी. वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ बार बार कि आप बोलने के बाद म्यूट पर चले जाते हैं, उसके बाद फिर आपकी वॉइस नहीं आती है.
सॉरी.
अब क्लास के बीच में ये जो कॉल पिक करते रहते हैं, बातचीत करते रहते हैं ना, उसकी वजह से
नहीं
ये.
सर, कॉल नहीं आया कसम से. वो मैंने सही में नेट चेंज किया था. वो प्रॉब्लम है थोड़ा.
मैंने आपको पिछले क्लास में ही बोला था कि जो सारे केसेस हैं उसमें ड्रॉई की एंट्री सेम है. हाँ या ना?
यस.
तो अगर आपको ऐसे दिखता है कि ड्रॉड अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश एक केस में एंट्री अलग हो गया है, तो आप वो बता भी सकते थे कि हाँ ठीक है.
ओके, नहीं मुझे याद नहीं था, दैट्स.
ओके, सो आई विल शेयर सम मोर क्वेश्चन.